But it's so much more than about just travel disruptions. It's painful to me as the governor of this great state that has been known for its diversity and how we celebrate different cultures, different religions, different viewpoints. It's painful to see the cruelty with which New Yorkers are treating each other everywhere from college campuses to our streets, to schools, to playgrounds, even as they're entering their houses of worship. And as I said, that's why, knowing these risks, I immediately deployed the state police to protect our synagogues and yeshivas and mosques and any other place that could be susceptible to hate crimes or violence. We contacted the U.S. Department of Homeland Security to share information about potential threats. I also announced significant increase in funding for our efforts, $75 million overall, $50 million for local law enforcement to beef up their efforts, as well as $25 million in security grants. State police have been out there. They've been embedded with local law enforcement. I've seen it with my own eyes as I visit different places of worship. And whether it's here in New York City, it's happening, and I'm grateful for their efforts. Also, we're very focused on the data we're collecting from surveillance efforts, what's being said on social media platforms. And we have launched an effort to be able to counter some of the negativity and reach out to people when we see hate speech being spoken about on online platforms. Our media analysis, our social media analysis unit has ramped up its monitoring of sites to catch incitement to violence, direct threats to others. And all this is in response to our desire, our strong commitment to ensure that not only do New Yorkers be safe, but they also feel safe. Because personal security is about everything for them. As I said, no one walking down the street or in a subway should feel they have to hide any indications of what their religious beliefs are. We expect to see people celebrating their lives, walking about freely, and that is no longer the case because people are living in fear. They have a right to do whatever they want here in the state of New York.